Given those challenges, and I'm sure there are many, many other challenges you just didn't have time to mention, can
Sure.
you imagine a future of 100% automation through artificial intelligence and machine learning, or is that 100%, unattainable?
Yeah, and so when I think of 100-year roadmap for my team, I'd love to say let's get to 100% automation, tax processes. At the end of the year, you give your data to SurePrep, you kind of scan your documents, and instantly your tax return is completely finished. However, humans are likely always going to be needed in the loop, especially for the short term, and so a lot of what we see is that there's a lot of new use cases. There'll be completely new use cases in the tax code. There'll be completely new documents. We never know what's kind of going to come down in the future in terms of different changes to laws or way documents are described, et cetera. And so having humans in the loop to inform AI or to help us kind of retrain our models to understand what might be new is always going to be a big part of it. And the way I think about it right now is that it's a pretty lofty goal to be 100% automated in anything. You think of even automated driving, and they still, at some point want you to put your hands on the wheel because we're still not all the way there. And humans are just really complex thinking machines that rival most computers in a lot of ways. The one area, though, where I would say computers are better than humans are doing routine and manual kind of transactional type of work. And the good thing is this is the work that most accountants, most humans hate doing in the first place. And so really where I see AI ML kind of creating hopefully a 100% success rate is AI and ML can replace all of that routine, kind of monotonous, repetitive work. And that's really what I think the goal is over the next 10 years or so in the AI ML space. And then beyond that, more and more automation. I think humans will still always be in the loop a little bit, but probably less and less so as we continue on. But right now, we really need those experts kind of watching these systems. And the great part about what we're doing is that if we get rid of that routine work and very manual work, those humans can spend their time doing intelligent, creative things as opposed to kind of clicking boxes or retyping one form to another.
Got it. Yeah. No one got into tax and accounting to do, data entry, which is the kind of thing that we're trying to automate. I'm going to make a note for myself to check back with you in 100 years and see how far along the roadmap we got.
Yeah. The good thing about making a 100-year promise is I probably won't be around to cash in on that bet.
Yeah, true.